everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make two cool and colorful experiments: elephant toothpaste and devil's toothpaste. These experiments create a fun and foamy reaction that you can do at home. Before we begin, let me just mention that there won't be any visuals in this video since I am visually impaired. But don't worry, I'll be explaining the steps in detail so you can easily follow along. Let's start with elephant toothpaste. For this, you'll need a few simple ingredients: hydrogen peroxide, liquid dish soap, dry yeast, warm water, food coloring, optional, and a plastic bottle or container. First, take your plastic bottle or container and pour in some hydrogen peroxide. The amount will depend on the size of your container, but a good starting point is about half a cup. If you want to add some color to your experiment, now would be the time to add a few drops of food coloring. Next, add a few squirts of liquid dish soap into the hydrogen peroxide. This will help create the foaminess in the reaction. Give it a gentle swirl to mix the soap and peroxide together. Now, in a separate cup, mix together warm water and dry yeast. You'll need about a tablespoon of yeast and enough warm water to dissolve it. Stir the mixture until the yeast is fully dissolved. Once the yeast is dissolved, quickly pour the yeast mixture into the bottle or container with the hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. Step back and watch the magic happen. Within a few seconds, you'll see a foamy eruption coming out of the bottle, resembling toothpaste being squeezed out. This is the result of a chemical reaction between the hydrogen peroxide and the yeast, which creates oxygen gas and water. Now, let's move on to devil's toothpaste. The ingredients for this experiment are similar, but we'll use a different concentration of hydrogen peroxide for a more energetic reaction. You'll need 30% hydrogen peroxide, which can be found in beauty supply stores or online, liquid dish soap, a packet of powdered yeast, warm water, and food coloring, if desired. Again, start by taking a container or bottle and carefully pour in about half a cup of 30% hydrogen peroxide. Be cautious as this concentration is stronger than regular household hydrogen peroxide. Next, add a few squirts of liquid dish soap into the container. Swirl it gently to mix the soap and peroxide together. In a separate cup, mix together warm water, a packet of powdered yeast, and a few drops of food coloring if you'd like. Stir the mixture until the yeast is fully dissolved. Now, just like before, quickly pour the yeast mixture into the container with the hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. Step back and get ready for an explosive eruption. In no time, you'll witness a massive foam eruption shooting out of the bottle. The higher concentration of hydrogen peroxide makes this reaction even more powerful and exciting. Remember, safety is important when conducting any experiment. Make sure to wear protective eyewear, gloves, and apron, especially when using the higher concentration hydrogen peroxide for devil's toothpaste. So, there you have it. Two awesome experiments that create foamy reactions: elephant toothpaste and devil's toothpaste. Have fun trying these out at home, and as always, be safe and enjoy the science. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.